Hey guys, I own two of these Black Decker GH1000 trimmers. I bought one brand new about 13 years ago, and I picked up the second one at a garage sale almost free. That was about 10 years ago. Since I live in Houston area and I do my own lawn work, I've used them pretty regularly for the past 13 years, and I'm extremely pleased at how durable and reliable they have been, particularly for the price that I paid. This is also pretty powerful and can easily cut through thick, tall grass. And I would say it has definitely been probably the best trimmer I've had so far. And while making this video, I come to learn that there had been two safety recalls. First in July 2007 and then again in August 2009. The recall was only the models with the black spool cap, and supposedly the ones with the orange cap are not affected. According to the Consumer Reports, there had been more than 800 instances in which the spool, cap, and string came loose and went flying. More than 150 injuries were reported as of May 2012. Consumer Reports magazine recommended this model at the time, and they bought 3 units and put through rigorous testing, but couldn't cause it to fail. Looks like the recall coverage is over now. So if you have one of these black spool cap and you didn't get the recall serviced, please be careful. As for the replacement trimmer line, it's so much cheaper to buy a longer length ones from Amazon than to buy shorter length ones from local retail store. I only paid around 15 bucks for 557 feet line that was overnight delivered. I pulled the line through this small hole and keep it that way. Otherwise, sometimes I can't find where the end of the line is easily. Now note the direction of the arrows on your spool, because that's the direction you are going to wind the line. Next, stick about ½ inch of the end of the line into a tiny hole in the spool, and then wind the line with only slight tightness. Otherwise, the line may bind up and not get auto-released during the use. This model uses double lines, so while holding the end of the first line firmly, repeat the winding steps for the second line. Once you've wound both lines, stick each line through 2 small side holes that are on opposite sides. Now snugly pull out on both lines. After that, just place the cap on. Make sure the cap is seated firmly, otherwise the cap and the spool will fly all over the place when you try to use it. Don't worry about the line being a little too long, because it'll get cut to the right length. I like to loop the extension cable through the handle so that they don't get disconnected when I pull on the extension line. So let's give it a shot.